We're actually at a fun center called Slinky's Action Zone. Let's go. Man, this place is massive. Look at it. Arcade and everything over there. Wow. Bowling and everything. Arcade. Wow, look at that giant play place. Once you come here to Slinky's Action Zone, you got to sign a waiver. So you can do that online also, so it'll cut back some time, and then it'll save it to your account. And then they'll be able to get you in much faster. My wife here, she's actually signing out the waiver right now. And we'll get on with the fun. So it's $11.32 per person. Plus you get a $5 game card with your soft play now. That's pretty awesome. So my wife found it a little bit easier to look on their website. It's slinkyactionzone.com. They have like their whole menu on there of like appetizers, pizza, sandwiches. They have like a variety of everything on there.
Looking on here is better too because we're looking at the fountain drinks for a small, it's $2.49.
Yeah.
But there's how many of us? You can get the picture.
And it comes with cups.
5 small cups, and it's $8.99.
It's cheaper that way. Yeah, you can get whatever you want. Yeah. So we'll probably get the pitcher for $8.99. We'll probably get them a large pizza. It's just cheese for $14.99. And then we'll probably, and they have the other options here for adults too. They do have burgers, they have hot dogs, they have appetizers, they have pierogies. It's a Pennsylvania thing. Of course, they have pierogies, loaded nachos, pretzel sticks with beer cheese. Cheesesteak and egg. With sides and snacks, they have nuggets, french fries, bacon cheese fries, jumbo popcorn, hamburger deals, a bunch of stuff, salads, frozen treats, funnel cake fries. They have the works, man. But I'll show you the menu up there too, of what they actually have in there also. So. This is our menu up here. Dippin' Dots kind of thing going on there. It's pretty cool. We decided to get a large pizza, okay? And I'm gonna get this gourmet bacon burger melt. It comes with bacon, fried onions, pickle, beer cheese on a toast bun. My wife's gonna order another pizza, and I'm also gonna get a large order of fries also with it because my kids like fries. And then we're gonna get and my wife's gonna get the pitcher of drinks. It comes with 5 cups, so you can just pretty much get, you know what I mean, whatever drink you want. Got our food ordered. Pepsi products here on everything that we got total wise and stuff like that. So we got a pitcher and 5 small cups that came to $8.99. A large pizza, $14.99. It's, you know, I'm not sure what my wife got topping wise on it, but she added a topping, so that's $1.25. Her total came to $25.23. Now mine, I got a large pizza also $14.99. Large topping. I didn't get no topping. I don't know why they charged me for a topping. That's something I gotta check out. A bacon melt cheeseburger and a large order of fries. The bacon cheeseburger came to $8.99 and the large fry came to $6.49. Not bad. Bringing my total to $34.63 with a sales tax, and then there was a fee for using a card. So take that in a note. Also have a little arcade in here in the soft play area too for the toddlers. They have where you can win a ball. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna try a piece of the pepperoni cheese pizza. That is some good pie right there. Good pie. Look at that bad boy. That is good. $14.99. Worth it. Some good stuff. There's the burger melt. Look at that bad boy. Looks so good. I went to crinkle fries because they actually had flat fries. Well, these are the fries here. And they look pretty good. Let's try everything out. Look at that bad boy. Pretty good burger. $8.99 for that. Not bad. Bun's a little dry, but not too bad. It's not toasted. That is straight out of the bag. Bag that was left open. Alright, it's good. I'm gonna try the fry out now. Pretty good. Pretty good. Would recommend these food items when you come here. So good. I know this is probably not going to taste any different, but this thing is hot. And it's a cheese pizza. Look at that flimsiness, greasiness, numminess. Oh yeah. Oh. Both ways are good. Scalding hot and cooled down. This pizza is bussin'. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're having so much fun. It's a little busy, not as bad as our last time at a play at the center. Chuck E. Cheese's. That actual place was a little bit busy. Let's continue the fun. They even got party rooms too. The other ones are being occupied, but this is the biggest part, like how big the party rooms are, and they can actually open it up over here too. So if you need a party room to have some, you know, there you go. So while we have a moment though, they do fundraisers here also. They do corporate team building. Yeah, they have like different kind of packagings here too. They also do birthday parties here also. They even have a little menu here too, I believe. Yeah, it tells you everything that you need. They have soft play and stuff like that in there. Laser tag, duck pin bowling, arcade. Different prices there for arcade. Gives you a little description of everything there. And their business hours and everything here. Central PA's largest soft play arena. A 5,000 square foot 2-tier laser tag arena. The area's best arcade. There we go. Alright, so we're going to check out the arcade. why we have this many. This freaking place is massive, man. Let's check it out. They got like a boxing thing here too. They got prizes here too. You can win. Look, you can win some Fortnite cards. Look at that. That's amazing. They got this here. 4 hoops. Check that out. That's pretty awesome. Hyper pitch. You can actually do that. It's wow. Rubber duckies. This game's pretty cool. Get points in that also. That's pretty awesome. It's called Rally Thrills VR. Oh look, it's like King Kong. That's pretty awesome. Check that out. Win like lots of like tokens and stuff. They have skee ball, or like carnival type games here. They have a Nerf game. They have laser tag also. Check that out. That's pretty awesome. Check that out, man. That's pretty cool. They have like this big ball machine over here too. The claw machines. It's big giant balls in there. Like a clown. Check that out. Win some yummy snacks in there. They have some more party rooms over here in the arcade area. They have some like nitro truck. It's game time. Let's go. It's game time. That's the rabbit one, Wheeze. They're used to playing Chuck E. Cheese games where you can actually just swipe and they're just 1 credit. Here's a little bit different. Usually this is like a Dave & Buster's kind of thing where it's actually a little bit more money for playing the game. So each one of these are 100 to get with your soft play admission. So they gotta watch and see. That's 60. You can only play 1 time. See what I mean? You have to watch what you have and stuff. So that's doesn't take long for them to run out, but honestly it's pretty cool to actually that it's included with your jumping and play pass, because honestly the price of stuff today, it's a good deal. You got to play a little bit of games here and there, so it's actually awesome. So yeah, win-win. The prizes here. They have like different kinds here. That's a pretty nice bracelet. And they got some up there too. It's amazing. Look at a big giant monkey over there. Love it. Wow, we had an amazing time. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more adventures. If you want to check out this place, everything in the description. Go check them out. If you're in the Altoona, Pennsylvania area, check out Slinky's Action Zone. It's definitely a big hit for the kids and the adults. They got everything in there for every single one of us. Have a good day.